How to put emojis in Clash Royale name. If you want to make your Clash Royale name stand out with emojis, here's a quick and easy guide. Open your Clash Royale application. Tap onto the three horizontal lines. From the pop-up, select Supercell ID. Then tap onto the gear icon. In here, you have to tap on Change. In the name field, tap and paste the emoji next to your username. Some emoji may not be supported, so test different one. You can copy your emoji from emoji website. Copy the emoji you want to your username, then tap on Continue to confirm, and your new Clash Royale name with emoji will be saved. And that's it. Now your Clash Royale name looks cooler with emoji.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.